Hey, Coach, it's another week in the can. How did practice go?
I thought it went well. I was very pleased with really Sunday night's introduction to Navy on both sides of the ball, or really all three sides of the ball. Then I thought we had really good practice on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Kids came out focused. The day was a messy, dreary day, but I really liked the focus they had. I was really pleased with today as well.
Obviously, Navy is known for their triple option. What is your defense going to have to do to be able to get off the blocks?
You know, first play for 60 minutes and 4 quarters. This team will not quit. This team, the midshipmen, play for 60 minutes and 4 quarters. So that's the first thing. And then be very disciplined. Have great exactness is what we've been talking to them about. Exactness in their technique and their fundamentals in their assignment. Make sure we stay completely assignment focused the entire game.
Obviously, the history and tradition with the midshipmen. What do the guys know, and do you think they have respect for these guys, knowing that after 4 years of playing football, they're going to go serve the country?
I don't think it. I know it. I know they do. As a staff, we respect Navy and what Ken does and what the midshipmen stand for and what they have stood for. Our team does. I think from the interviews from Josh and some of our guys, they understand what these men have to go through and what they will be going through here in the end of 4 years. They know what they signed up for with the Navy, and they take a lot of pride in it. So we do too.